And then last time, take your right point, hit it on your right foot, turn left, go into the overhand weave, and then open it up again. So all your right point as you turn to the right and come back into the hip rail. And then from here, come back up to the butterfly, take your butterfly, drop stall, and then we're going to turn this into the counterclockwise sprinkler. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this time I want you to turn to the right, come all the way around, 360 degrees back to here, and then sprinkler. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. And then we're going to turn to the right again. Ooh, try not to hit yourself as much as I'm hitting myself. And sprinkler. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now come up and spiral over the head. Change direction. Now do the clockwise sprinkler. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. And now we're going to turn to the left. Go all the way around, come back to the front, and sprinkler for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. And now we're going to turn to the left again. Come all the way around, sprinkler again, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to sprinkler left again. Come all the way around, all the way around. And sprinkle 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Spiral over the head, change direction, and sprinkler the other way. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. And spiral over the head, change direction again, and sprinkler the other way. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Spiral one more time over the head and come back the other way and sprinkler. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Spiral over the head and come out in the clockwise corkscrew, turn to the right, come all the way around, and then sink it up into the same time. Lift your right foot under your right leg, under your left leg, come all the way around, turning to the right. Do it again, under the right leg, under the left leg, up over the head. Do it again, under the right leg, under the left leg, up over the head. And we're in a clockwise corkscrew. And then come down and tap on your right hip, change direction, and come up into counterclockwise, up and down, and split the time, turning to the left. And then come into together time, and then come down under the left leg, under the right leg, and up and over, and under the left and the right, up and over. Third time, under the left, under the right, up and over, all the way around. Come down into a corkscrew, split the time again, plane shift it up, come up into the pinwheel, turn left to the overhand weave, come down across low to underhand, and big extension across the top. Come down across low, and then left extends, right extends across the top. Come down low, then left extends, right extends. One more time, come down low, left extends, right extends, into an overhand weave. Turn left 360, turn right 360, turn left 360, turn right 360, and open it up. Put your right foot forward. Sweep back, turn away from me, come out underhand facing the left. Step your right foot forward, sweep over toward me, and come into counterclockwise, chasing the sun. 4 and 3 and 2, and under the right leg, and up and over, come down and overhand on the left side. Step your right foot forward. We're going to sweep back, turn left again, come out underhand on the right side here, and then sweep up back into chasing the sun for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now get ready, come under the right leg with the right poi, turning left, come down and overhand, step your right foot forward. Now do the turn, so sweep back and step, sweep over, and then chase the sun for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Come under the right leg, sweep up and over, come down on the left, step your right foot forward, and we're turning to the left again. Sweep, step, sweep, and chase the sun for 4, 3, 2. Now on this next one, come under the right leg and then continue up over the top, wrap it up and come into the short poi so that you're in an overhand buzzsaw on your left, plane shifted down on top of your right arm. So it should be a counterclockwise buzzsaw as you look down at it. Turn to the left with it. Make it into a corkscrew, separate it, come back together, separate it, come back together, separate it, come back together, separate it, release, come into regular length, come up over your head, come into a regular split time corkscrew, turning to the left. And again, we're going to plane shift it up, come up to the pinwheel, come down into overhand giant on the left, and then swivel to underhand giant on the right, overhand giant on the left, and then come into the swivel here, giant swivel counterclockwise, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. We'll do 4 more, and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and come into chasing the sun for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 under the leg, and then up back into that buzzsaw, and then bring that buzzsaw back behind your butt and do your little kick and come down.